Okay, can you hear me? This is a test to see if I can record using Zoom, save it to my computer and do an edit on it, and then upload it to YouTube. That's what I'm trying. That's my experiment right now. Instead of having anybody in here with me, because I'm having a problem, because my battery's dead, it won't let me use any cameras, even though it's plugged in all the time. It's not letting me. So I'm trying to find some alternatives instead of opening up my computer, because I have to take the whole thing apart to put the battery in. And kind of like my Keurig, I need to have a DIY day where I just fix shit that's broken. So let me see here. I'm recording this. Stop sharing. So it goes back to me. This would be what I'm recording.
I'm still recording. This would be I can let's see. I can upgrade this video, make it a little nicer, mirror my video, touch up my appearance. Ooh, I can do that. Can I make myself look better? Let's put that all the way up and see what happens. See if I look better. Just low light. Always display participant names. 2K webcam. Original. Ooh, that's better. HD. Okay, I don't know how big this file is going to be, so I'm going to experiment with this. Okay, that's the video. Let's see what it says down here to do. Turn off my video when joining a meeting. Always show video preview. Hide non-video. Enable stop incoming video. See myself as the active speaker. Automatically join audio by computer when joining a meeting. Mute my microphone. Let's do that one. Since I'm not really doing a meeting, I just want to record myself. We'll see. I can share screen, so I could use this to do my giveaway things or to show you things that I'm doing on the computer. So that would work. Chat. There's a chat option for this. Because this is Zoom. This is where I did my paintings. The person would be the host, and then other people would come in, and then we would all paint together. It was actually quite fun. Background and effects. I can blur my background. Oh, that's nice. Let's see. I can put grass back there. Oh, and I don't even have a green screen. That is neat. Look, I'm out in the middle of space. Wow, now I'm in San Francisco. Video filters. Oh, this could be fun. I could do a video with, oh, there's a little dog. Christmas lights. Rainbow. Oh, an old television. Number one. Oops, can't do that. And, oh, I wonder if I were green if I would disappear. A filter. A color filter. Okay, let's see what we got for avatars. Oh, does this turn me into a animal? Look, it turns me into an animal. Oh my god, look. I'm talking. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Now I'm a bunny. I'm recording this, so I'm hoping. Let's see. Let's go back to none. Let's go to filter. Let's go back to none. Let's go back to none. Okay, I should blur the background because it's awful busy back there, but I'm gonna go to none and see. Okay, let's go to the recording. Local recording. Store my recording at. Oh my gosh. Where do I have it stored at? Where does it say? Me, documents, Zoom. Okay, that's fine. Then I'll know where it is. Oh, shoot. What did I do? Okay, there we go. All right. Okay, there's a stop recording. There's a pause. Reactions. Recognize hand gestures. There's a heart up in the corner. Whatever, I don't know. Okay, let's put. Okay. All right, let's see. There's apps. What does it say? Loading my apps. Do I have any? Oh, I have to pay? Do I have to pay for them? Oh, yeah, okay. Featured essential, trending new broadcast and streaming. Let me see what that is. Overlay, Showmaster, create. Oh, look at that. That's weird. Okay, never mind. I'm gonna make it dizzy. Okay, let's get rid of that. Oh, wow. Financial event management, timer, group photo, music, donations. There's a search. Let me see. There's a giveaway. Contest. Let me put contest. See if there's a contest app. No. Game. Team games, meeting, fun, party, trivia. Bite-sized fun for meetings, engage your whole team. Express your creativity, mother of all icebreakers. Pick from tons of packs. Feeling creative, make your own pack. Games. Okay, let's go back. Icebreaker games, trivia. The contest. No. Oh, I already did that one. Giveaway. Whoops. Okay, let's see education. Oh, let's see. Bingo. Play together a free bingo game. It did not show up. What's this? This is the perfect icebreaker for any size meeting. Play while you wait for the meeting to start or end the meeting with a sweet taste. Bingo for Zoom. Okay, that's interesting. Block party. Quiz. Okay, let's go back. Customer service. Quiz flight. HubSpot app. Collaboration. Don't know how long this is, but I want to make it long enough to see if it's going to work. Scribble together, fellow, applause, Polly, live engagement, Coda. Oh, why is that working too good for some reason? Let's say spinach. CRM, what's that? Playbooks. She also, this is how you find things. You just go in and look at the menus and see. That's what happens right now. I'm experimenting with my Zoom to see if I can make a recording, download it to my computer, edit it, and upload it to YouTube. Then I can do it on my, without having to do it on my phone and transfer it to my computer, which is what I'm doing because my damn battery's dead. And it takes a long time to transfer it over via Wi-Fi to my computer. And so I'm going to try this and see if I can record Zoom on my computer. Music. A free multiplayer game. Meet pal. Send bloop. Because I don't plan on having anybody in here with me. But I just want to record. But I do not think I can do this live. I don't think it's open source for everybody to come unless they have a link. Because there's nothing in here about doing this live on a social media. So I do not think that's possible unless somebody has a link to get into it. Oh, pixels! There we go. That one I'm definitely adding because I found out you can use this on your, to make your intros and such. It's free videos. Let me see. I just downloaded a whole bunch of them to make an intro video and to make an introduction on my webpage, on my channel. Okay, these are backgrounds. Office. Let me look. Search for photos. Kitchen. Let's see. Here's a kitchen. How do I go down? Hmm. Okay. Okay. It does the background, the green screen. This one's very popular, apparently. Celebration. Okay. That will be interesting. I can do that one. Okay. Anyway. Oh, there we go. Essential apps. What's in there? Take advantage of curated essential app premium apps that make meeting. Okay, that would be if I upgrade. Search app. Let me put YouTube. If there's anything in here about. No. Live stream. Let me put stream. No. Live. Verbit live pigeonhole. Collect questions. Live captions. What's health and wellness? What is there? Bring calm to your Zoom meeting. Oh, healthcare. Let's see what's in there. Wellness coach. Voice provides remote video. Wellness mental and physical. Human resources. Say hello to Clovers. What I was saying is this is what I do. Is go through and just look at all kinds of stuff and experiment. And that is how I find things and figure things out. And that's kind of what you have to do. Just if it ever says, are you sure you want to do that? Always say no. Because that means it's something final and it's better to say no. Okay, learning and development. Marketing. Wow, you're meeting attendees. Note taking. It's something I might be able to use. No, Calibri. I've heard of that. Other. Why can I not? Oh, there it is. Duh. Okay, I needed to expand the window so that I can get my scroll bar and look and see what else is down here. Oh, poker. You can play Texas poker with people. That might be fun. Players take turns rolling a set of dice. By the time I'm done going through all this, I will be able to see how big this file is going to be. And I may have to make it smaller because right now I have it in HD. I want to see how many gigabytes this ends up being. So I do not want anything real big. I might be able to convert it also to something smaller. Sometimes you can do that. Let's go to presentations. Oh, I do want to get rid of that grass in the background, but anyway, it's okay. It doesn't matter. It's actually nicer than all that crap I've got on my shelves. Okay. Productivity timer. There's a timer. Keep control of your workday. Customizable. Countdown. Let's see, is that free? You may also like timer, pixels, Zoom room, Poly, instant live engagement for teams, Charma, Prezi, the bingo, gaggle party. What's that? Fun new way to play with friends and family. Team games. Yeah, unless I have somebody in here, sometimes I will not be able to do this. Associated with me. Okay, let me open up that pixels again so I can get rid of my background. Let me open that. More. Well, how do I get rid of this thing in the back? Oh, okay, set a random background. I'm at a concert. Yeah. What's that? There we go. Um, how do I get rid of my back? I like this. Banana. Now I feel like okay, how do I get rid of how do I get rid of the background completely? Um, pop out. No, that's not what I wanted to do. Okay. How do I get rid of it? Damn. View. That's not for that. That's for this. Overview. Okay, I don't want that anymore. I want to get cancel. Okay. None. How do I get rid of it? Well, this is kind of... Okay, let me open that. More text. Room. Hmm. Close. I don't want to get rid of the background. Oh my god. Now I got bananas. Video. Okay. All right. I don't know how to get rid of the bananas. Seriously, I don't. Oh my god. Oh my god. How do I get rid of the bananas? Um. Oh my god. Oh, here we go. Choose virtual background. Will decrease your... Okay. Background. None. Okay. I had to go down there. Okay. All right. Now it's all busy and cluttered again. Okay. I figured that out. Now I'm still recording. Don't know how long this is going to be. What is that? Okay. Return to meeting schedule. This is my... Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop it. There's more settings. Okay. Ask me to confirm when I leave a meeting. Show my time. Remind me. Stop my video and audio. Oh, I like this better. I like dark systems because of the light in my eyes. Enter full screen. Automatically copy. Always show. Okay, let me see general video. Let me get rid of the HD. I'm going to watch this and see how it looks. Here my video. Touch up my appearance. Now let's put that back down to nothing. Let's put it down, see what it looks like. Maybe it blurs me. Gets rid of the wrinkles or something. Adjust for low light. Always display the names. I don't know if I have a name. Turn off my video. Hide participants. Enable stop. See myself. Did not see any video. Okay, troubleshooting. Okay, let's go to audio. Seems to be working.